I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing both devices. Make sure your phone's Bluetooth is on, charged, and not actively connected to another headset. Once done, turn the Yamaha FZS V4 ignition to on, do not start the engine, and access the instrument cluster menu. Navigate to Settings, then Bluetooth, then select Pairing Mode. You do this now so the bike advertises a clear signal. This avoids transient timeouts and simplifies the next phone-based step, where you'll search for the bike name. Now switch to your phone and scan for nearby Bluetooth devices. Look for a label like FZS V4 or Yamaha. Tap that entry to begin pairing. If a PIN appears, try 0000 or 1234. Those are common defaults. Make sure you accept any permission prompts for contacts and media so calls and audio will route correctly. Once paired, the bike may display a confirmation and list the phone as connected. If audio profiles are separate, enable phone and media audio. Finish by testing. Make a short phone call and play music to confirm audio routing, then tweak volume using the bike's controls and your phone's volume. If it fails, first toggle Bluetooth on both devices and reinitiate pairing mode on the bike. Restart phone if needed. Once repeated attempts fail, clear old pairings on both sides and try again. If problems persist, check for firmware updates for the bike's ECU/audio module or consult a dealer, since older firmware can block modern phone profiles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.